All right, so this is the Ninja Professional Plus Duo Blender. I'm going to go ahead and show you how simple and easy this is. I've already done a video showing you all the pieces and accessories that you can get with the Ninja Blender because we love it and we use this so much. But right now I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to go ahead and just make the smoothie. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my frozen fruit. I'm going to put in my juice. I'm going to put my lid back down and I'm going to lock it in place. And then I'm going to push on power and the smoothie button. So I'm going to start off slow, but what I love about this feature, you guys, and with blenders, this is a big deal. And I mean, if you make smoothies, you know, once you put it in there, it kind of like sometimes food gets stuck to the sides and it's not really blending. You know what I mean? This one does. It actually continues to move it. See how it's actually moving these thick chunks? And you'll be able to see in a second, it's literally going to keep doing that until it's completely smooth and fresh. Look at this. I mean, I don't have to keep opening it and moving it around. This has been one of my favorite blenders. We use it every year, especially when we get in these moods for smoothies all the time. So this has been one of our go-to products. I highly recommend it. It's super easy to clean, super easy to use. I love the lock feature and I love the easy pour spout. Yum, yum. Who's ready for a smoothie?